To adjust the back seat angle on a BMW iX3, we can use this little catch here for this seat, and the middle seat and the other seat there's a catch around the other side that I'll show you later in the video. So just get your 2 fingers and go underneath here and lift up towards you, and the backrest has now come a little bit this way here. So if you want it at that angle, just give it a little wiggle, make sure it's in place like so. If you want it more forward, again lift it up here and lift it more forward like so. It's quite stiff to do, and again give it a little wiggle so it sits into the place, and you can see now that's a lot more vertical than the other 2 seats. Now let's go around the other side, we'll do the same there. Now this is a catch for this side, so we're gonna again lift it towards us, and now this seat's moved along with the middle one as well. So you can see in that position there, if we want it more, again lift it out, and you can lift it out more that way. Again wiggle it to make sure that it's locked into position. And you can see now all 3 seats are a lot more vertical than they were before. If you want to lie them back flat, again up here and just push them down and let go of that, and make sure it's fully in position like so. Give them a wiggle to make sure it locks, and do the same over the other side. So quite straightforward, a little bit awkward, but easy enough. Thanks for watching.